Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Thunderbird on your Windows in a very simple way. How you can do that, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then you can simply come over into the search option and simply search for Thunderbird download. Click on enter and then you're going to get the first website. So if you click on that and you're going to get the Thunderbird desktop option. So here you have to select your local language and then release channel. So I'm going to recommend it one, and then operating system is Windows, and then click on download and then click download and it is going to start downloading in our computer. If you want to donate it, then you can simply see that there is a donate option. So after complete the download, you can simply click on the folder icon and here you can simply click on the setup, click run, and now you can simply minimize all of your background tab. There will be a permission, click yes. Now you can simply click on next and click on install. After complete that, you can simply click on the finish and your Thunderbird will be rightly opened in your computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Thunderbird in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.